Chukudi, you just dey chop anyhow. You know the fear say food go finish.
Auntie food no dey finish for who get connection. You know say na my mama dey kitchen. Miracle no dey tie Jesus.
I see this small pikin.
Musa, where you see money dey flex like this?
My sister, na miracle. My papa just passed away and I'm a business of king. See enjoyment now.
I know you must have probably seen this type of viral baby funny video in all social media, and guess what? People are making cool cash from this by creating this type of simple video and put it on YouTube, TikTok, or even on Facebook and Instagram. And this thing is absolutely free with no skill needed. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you step by step on how to create this type of video for absolutely free. All you need to know is to know how to structure your prompts, which I'm going to be taking my time and teach you step by step on how to write a well-structured prompt to create any type of this video. So make sure to pay very close attention so you don't miss any part of this video. You know I don't like too much talk. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video.
Alright guys, so for you to do this, you need to change your IP address to USA or Canada. And if you're in USA or Canada already, you don't need it. So we are going to be making use of a free VPN. Come to your Play Store, search for Urban VPN. Okay, this particular VPN, this one, you know, it is absolutely free, so you don't need to panic and it works perfectly. Okay, go ahead and install it. After you install it, go ahead and open it. Let me show you some setup on it. Open it, click choose free. As you can see, please choose free, accept, and agree and enable. Go ahead and grant this permission. Okay, allow, got it. Okay, and then go back and then come back here, search for USA or Canada. For me, I'm going to be using Canada. Okay, look at this. Okay, so now it is connected successfully. Now you are now surfing from Canada. Okay, so the next thing to do now is go ahead and open your Chrome, search for Sora 2. Okay, Sora 2. Okay, sora2.com. Go ahead and click it.
Okay, so here we are on the interface. So this is how the interface look like. Okay, but remember, as a new beginner, immediately you click that sora2.com, they are going to take you to the old Sora. Yes, and that is not what we want. What we actually want is the Sora 2, which is the one that we are currently using. For me, I've already have the access. Okay, so and before you can have access to this new Sora, you need to have an invite code, because immediately they take you to the old Sora, you are going to say join new Sora, meaning join this one. Immediately you click that join new Sora, they are going to tell you to input an invite code. So for you to get the invite code, I've created a whole lot of video on how to go about the invite code. Okay, I'm going to be dropping the link to that video on how to get the invite code at the description of this video. So just watch the video and know how to get the invite code for free. Okay, so now it is time to generate. So for you to generate a video, if you look very well, you are going to see this plus icon. This first icon is actually the home icon. The second icon is just your search icon to search for a particular video or particular creator. And then the third icon is the icon that you can click to create your video. That is the creation icon. And then the fourth icon is actually your notification icon, and then the last one is your profile. All right, so for you to start creating, just go ahead and click this plus icon and then go ahead and input your prompt. Okay, and then go ahead and input your prompt. You may ask, how do I get the prompt that I want to use to generate this video? You don't need to panic. After we generate our video, just to see very fast, I'm going to take you to where you'll be able to learn how to generate the prompt, because every quality AI video you see out there comes from the prompt. You need to know how to structure the prompt. If you know how to write a well-structured prompt, you'll be able to know how to create any type of realistic AI video. So go ahead and paste my prompt. And then I'll just have to go ahead and hit generate.
Okay, so our video has been generated successfully. As you can see, it's currently on draft. So whenever any video has been generated and you haven't posted the video is going to remain on draft until you post it. Then it will join the normal galleries. Okay, so now let's go ahead and play the video and see what OpenAI Sora 2 generated for us.
Musa, where you see money they flex like this?
My sister, na miracle. My papa just passed away and I'm a business of king. See enjoyment now.
Okay, the video is not looking bad. It's not looking bad at all. It's very very okay and very funny, but somehow it's a little bit slow. And the reason is because of comma where we are giving the speech where the boy was speaking. There's kind of pause. It is comma. If you don't want it, you can remove the comma, but it make it looks more realistic. All right. So that is it about it. So let's quickly generate the second one, which is the last one. Then I'll take you to where I'll be teaching you how to structure your prompt.
So just click this plus icon and then go ahead and paste your prompt as usual. Okay, so this time around, let me show you how to make some adjustment. Okay, click this adjustment icon. You are going to see the aspect ratio and the duration of the video. Okay, if you click the aspect ratio, you can either put it on portrait or landscape. For me, I'm generating for YouTube purpose, so I'm going to be leaving it on landscape. And then if you look very well, you are going to see the duration. Okay, click it. You can put it on 15 seconds or 10 seconds. Remember, Google View 3 is just 8 seconds and this one is 15, so you see the difference. But so now go ahead and hit OK, and then your video has been added to queue. Okay, so our video has been generated. Now let's go ahead and play the video and see what OpenAI Sora 2 got for us. Okay, now first of all, before we play the video, let's go ahead and download the video first. Long press the video and then you see download. Go ahead and download the video, and then the video will be downloaded into your gallery successfully. Okay, as you can see, my video is being downloaded. Okay, now that we have downloaded the video, now let's go ahead and play the video.
Chukudi, you just dey chop anyhow. You know the fear say food go finish.
That food no dey finish for who get connection. You know say na my mama dey kitchen. Miracle no dey tear Jesus.
Chukudi, you just dey chop anyhow. You know the fear say food go finish.
That food no dey finish for who get connection. You know say na my mama dey kitchen. Miracle no dey tear Jesus.
Wow, the video is not looking bad at all. Wow, this is great, just so funny, I bet. Okay, this second scene is just so funny and the video come out so well, perfectly. Okay, this is one thing I love about OpenAI Sora 2. The video is very okay, it is nice, like it's funny. Do you understand? You can be creating this type of funny video, put it online there, and people watch you, monetize and make your money. And a lot of people are doing it already, and also you can tutor on it. So this video is very okay, very very nice. So this is how I was able to get the prompts that I used to generate the video that you will just watch. Okay, come here to my notepad. I came to my notepad because I just want to write the pre-prompt. Do you understand? I'm supposed to be doing this on ChatGPT, but because I want you to see the view of everything, that is why I'm doing this here. So just see this as me writing to ChatGPT directly. Okay, when I'm done, I'll copy it and then head over to ChatGPT and just paste it directly. Okay, so this is what we want to do. So we want to generate a baby podcast, right? A small baby, maybe in a village eating, or maybe in a hospital, blah blah blah, that kind of thing. Okay, let's do the one that the baby is going to be in a village, that kind of baby, or a baby of like 3 years old. All right, so now this is what we are going to do. What I'm going to do is that I can imagine what I want to generate, right? I can think about it, like it's in my mind, but I don't know how to structure the prompt. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to narrate everything in detail to ChatGPT. Then I'll tell ChatGPT to act as a prompt engineer and help me to optimize the prompt. Okay, so now see how I'm going to do it. I'm going to write how I imagine it, the way I want the baby to be, how I want it to be. I'm going to narrate it to ChatGPT now. So this is how I'm going to do it. I'll say I want okay, so see how far I've gone. You see, but I say, now let's read it. I want to generate a video of a young Nigerian lady interviewing a 2 years fat Nigerian boy outside a small village kitchen, eating bushmeat and mess it all around his mouth. Okay, so this is what I want. I just want the boy to be in outside a small village kitchen, eating plenty food. You know that kind of thing. I believe you must have seen this type of baby interview, right? where the boy will be eating and messing it around his mouth, blah blah blah, that kind of stuff, right? So that is how I imagine it. So this is just me writing it that way. And I can see the plenty food with plenty bushmeat on it. Okay, like the plenty food will be on this, like, or in his front, and as he's eating, he's eating. Okay, when the interviewer came, right? And then the interviewer carry a handheld microphone. Yes, the interviewer, the lady that want to interview him, I want you to carry that kind of microphone, that handheld microphone, right? And then the interviewer first speak into the microphone in Nigeria Pidgin English, says, do you understand? It's the interviewer that will first speak. This is where a lot of people get it wrong. You need to make it clear and make it simple to the AI that is the interviewer that first speak. The interviewer need to ask the boy question, and then the boy will now reply. If you notice very well, the interviewer say, Musa, where you see money dey flex like this, and then the boys, and if you notice very well, I say in Nigeria Pidgin English, I let the AI know that they are not using pure English, but in Nigeria Pidgin English, so that ChatGPT will know how to structure the prompt, because we are using black people. It's not going to make sense if they are speaking pure English, right? To make it more fun. So that's why I put it that way. And if you notice, the first one the lady says, right, and the second one I make sure I put reply, because the lady speak and then the boy reply. When you want two people to have conversation in AI, you make sure the first person is says and the second person is reply, so that you get a better result. Without, the AI will understand, oh, this is the person that first speak, and then the second person is reply to what the first person speak. Okay, so make sure to put it that way. I need to let ChatGPT know that I'm generating the video using Sora 2. Okay, with that, ChatGPT is going to structure the prompt to resonate with OpenAI Sora 2. Okay, for you to get a better result. So I need to write it now. And then I need to let it now. I will now tell ChatGPT to act as a prompt engineer and optimize this prompt to get a better result. Okay, you see, but I say act as a prompt engineer and optimize this prompt to get a better result. Okay, so with this, ChatGPT is going to act as a prompt engineer and structure my prompt in order for me to get a better result. So all I need to do now is to go ahead and copy this particular prompt. So this is how I structure the prompt. This is not actually a prompt yet. This is just a pre-prompt. Okay, this is the prompt that we are going to use to get the real prompt that we are going to be using to generate the video. Okay, the reason I do it this way is that if I carry this one, head over to OpenAI Sora 2, I'm not going to get a good result. So ChatGPT need to act as our prompt engineer and structure the prompt in a better way that OpenAI Sora 2 is going to understand and give us a good result. So this is how I come about the prompt. I copy it and then I head over to my ChatGPT. So all I need to do now is to go ahead and paste my prompt. Okay, paste the prompt and then hit OK. Okay, as you can see, ChatGPT is now helping us to structure our prompt. Look at it. So this is the prompt that I actually used to create the video that you just watched. Okay, this is the prompt. So this is how I was able to get the prompt. So all you need to do now is to just go ahead and copy this prompt, head over to OpenAI Sora 2 and generate your video. Or you can also carry this prompt, head over to Google VEO3 to generate your video, and you are going to get the same result. What about the second video? The second video that I generated is the same thing, but this is how I did that one. I came here, I used the same thing. I say I want to generate another story, like, and then I hit OK. So this is how I get the second prompt. Okay, so this is the second prompt, right? But this one now, look at the speech. Chukwudi, you just dey shop anyhow. You know the fear say food go finish. The small boy with a mouth still full look up and reply confidently to the mic. Aunty, food no dey finish for who get connect. My mama be the chef. Okay, but this one I'm going to correct it. I'm going to correct this particular one. I'm going to, like you see, aunty, food no dey finish for who get connection. I'm going to say connection. Now my mama dey serve food. I'm going to reply it like that. Okay, so this is how I get the second prompt that I used to generate the video that you just watched. So all I need to do now is to go ahead, copy this one, head over to Google VO3 or OpenAI Sora 2 to generate my video. Copy the second one and then generate the video. This type of video is going viral. A lot of people are creating it and they are making cool cash from it. You can start generating it.
So this is basically how to create this type of viral funny video using OpenAI Sora 2. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't just go. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're watching from YouTube. And don't forget to follow this account if you're watching from Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. And big John up as per usual friend. On to head. Salute. Bye.